not making you mine. Welcome to the
Welcome
Weekly
to
Podcast.
the podcast. Good morning. The show continues. The daily show continues. We are gonna talk about the news. I think kasama dito yung first. I wanna watch yung first
Appearance ni Kamala.
Kamala.
She didn't really talk about it.
Yeah. Medyo ano siya ha?
What? I
Medyo-
love all the freaking memes though about it. I love all the memes.
ganon?
Because the gays and the everyone's like
They're happy.
because it's a woman. I mean,
Yeah.
it's somebody who actually can, between not between, but like if you have to choose between Trump and Biden and Kamala, I mean,
Yeah.
right?
So, yung pero napanood ko, medyo pala siya, medyo low energy.
Hindi But have you seen yung ano niya? Can I? Okay, wait lang, Jim. Okay. Please, trust me. Trust me.
Yeah.
Though I'm not gonna lose you, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. She has her version of there can be 99 people in the room. The Lady Gaga one. She has that version. And I think you're gonna love this.
By the way, before we're gonna get into the news, but today I want to share some stuff about panic attacks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so later. So ito na yung pala yung, I want to
Ano?
officially call na this thing that I do
What?
on this daily show. Instead of the daily com, it's called the Libreng com. Libre.
Libre.
You don't have to subscribe to the app.
Yeah.
Libreng com. Ganda ba nun?
Ganda.
Ganda ba?
Ganda. At I'm so sorry, hindi ko mahanap yung meme na hinahanap ko. I hate it. But if you guys know
Si Purdue. Baka...
Is that it?
baka
The Gen
dick
Z?
pic yan, ah.
Hindi. The Gen Z, I love the Gen Z.
Shoe? Is that a dick pic?
No, that's Trisha who sent this. What is this? Okay, wait. If you can send me not the coconut tree, the Gen Z, I love Gen Zs. Anyway, okay, let's. Wait, what is this? It's not sharing my screen. This one here.
Just think while you've been getting down and out about the context, the dirty coconut world, you could have been getting down to this coconut tree. My ex-man brought his new girlfriend.
You get the coconut tree?
No.
I'm just gonna shake it.
Okay, there's a coconut tree thing that's going viral. Wait, what's happening? Anyway.
Ayun na, sinenda ni Purdue.
Ito yung Gen Z. So there's a Kamala. Ayan. This is her version of the 99.
How come you don't let Purdue na lang share the screen? Why are you the one navigating all this?
Because we have not practiced it.
Okay.
What?
Wala lang. Kasi nung kami ni Ali, medyo swabe naman.
Ganon. Di ko alam kung paano.
She just does it.
Okay, game. Let's do that instead. I don't know how to do that. Okay, game.
And let me just tell you, I love Gen Z. I don't know if something, I love Gen Z. So, okay, for the older adults, this is going to be a humbling thing I'm about to share with you. If someone is 18 years old today, they were born in 2005. I love Gen Z. I love Gen Z. It will be a humbling moment for some of us to realize that anyone who is 18 now was born in 2005. I love Gen Z. I love Gen Z. So think about this. Okay, first of all, it's going to be humbling for many of us when you remember or realize that someone who is 18 now was born in 2005. I have to tell you, I love Gen Z. Yes, I know, but I love Gen Z.
It's so funny because it's like wala nang pumapalakpak. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So, I actually wanna, since we're talking about this,
Yeah.
You know what I realized? So we met Senator Risa nga.
Yeah.
So I have to say, ibang level talaga yung iba talagang gravitas ng politician. I think it's because of years of being a politician na they know how to, the good ones, know how to make you feel like you're the most important person. You know how like Attorney Lenny has that. Like,
Yeah.
parang she looks you in the eye and you feel like you're a Twix bar.
That is the highest form of compliment.
Diba? So,
Eh,
parang,
Whenever she likes an Instagram post of mine, like,
that's digital. What I'm saying is that kind of and I just wanna,
she sent me flowers
which is why I want
for my
to,
birthday.
which is why I want to. The reason why I'm sharing this is because ako.
Ikaw, you don't do that for anybody.
No.
Kapasok ka ng kwarto, talagang asim ng muka. Parang, I don't want to be here.
No.
Joke lang.
My thing is, I'm just I'm just way too transparent.
Yeah. Which it's a good thing.
Yeah.
If you were to become a politician, talagang may transparency.
True.
Although you are a good salesman, though.
Again, yun nga eh. The thing is,
It's weird. You're a bullshitter,
I'm not a bullshit.
but you can't
No.
hide
There's
how
a difference.
you feel.
There's a difference between a bullshitter and someone who's extremely passionate.
Okay.
So ako, when I'm very passionate about something, magising ako.
Mhm.
But when I'm completely not interested,
Like when I was showing you the Kamala videos. I bet the people were seeing your face. Like,
hey, hindi that was okay naman
oh yeah?
Okay lang.
Yeah?
Okay lang.
Okay.
So anyway, let's go to the news. By the way, this is our Putty Rock shirts. If you like them, go to puttyrock.com.
Yep. Okay. What is happening? Let us scroll through the news together. Oh, so yesterday was the Sona.
Mm-hmm.
And ewan ko, I was on the treadmill. Nakakatawa. I was on the treadmill as I was watching it. But
you
not
watched
really.
it? Oh.
I would know. It was on the TV. But I was listening to, what was I listening to? I was watching The Bear or something.
Mm.
But I could see it on the TV dun sa gym. And then, nakakatawa, as I was running, nakita ko yung mga tao sa, parang they were doing a standing ovation. And then the highlights were written. So I could read it.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear it, but I could read it. And then it was all like, we're going to be proud to be Filipinos. You can see everyone like clapping. And I was running and just like, if you could have heard my eyes rolling. But I was just like, I was kind of annoyed.
Why?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi parang for me, it was like, okay. Hindi ko alam.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know. So, FYI, that's coming from me who I didn't actually watch it. But I know na he was probably saying stuff that people wanted to hear, but like...
No, but I do wonder what
parang
happened nga ba?
empty. He was saying banned na ang pogos.
Okay.
So, okay.
So that's the big
Kudos and credit to Senator Risa Ontiveros, without whom these pogos would not have been exposed. My Reddit thread, there's a screenshot circulating within a Chinese pogo announcing they will not go away, but will rather be renamed as IGL's Internet Gaming Licensees to circumvent the ban. Great source, Reddit. To be fair though, I was trying to be sarcastic, but actually Reddit, some people there are actually very legit.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
and ewan ko, I don't know. How do you guys feel about this? There is a place in Google Maps called Gov Remulla Protected
Can you open
Pogo. What?
Wait, so playbackers, can you help me?
Wait, 20 million yung gastos
Yeah,
sa
that
Sona?
was the thing. Pero yung ang question ko is yung yung Pogo, it was legal. It is a legal thing. Correct ba? It was a legal thing.
Yeah,
but
Philippine
ang dami
offshore.
nilang ginagawang illegal shit within those 'di ba? Kaya right? Ewan ko, sorry. There are legal pogos and there are some illegal pogos. Okay.
Para siyang di ba yung weteng?
So yan, Miko says they legalized it. Shu.
Shu said, I literally Googled what makes pogos bad the other day. And what did you find?
So ito. So apparently there's this place nga called in Google Maps, Governor Remulla Protected Poco.
What? Can anybody just
Pero baka naman
rename
anyone can just
something?
anyway.
If you should we read that? Nah, never mind.
No.
No. Okay. Human trafficking, money laundering, fraud.
I have a question.
Ang usual na nangyayari sa mga
Sabi.
pugo. Yes.
So I don't know if this is racist or not.
It's probably racist if you have to preface it with that. So let's not.
No, it's not. I think it's not. I guess I'm Asian, so I guess I can.
You gotta be careful. Ah.
Yeah, I can comment on this.
Okay. You gotta be careful.
Yes,
Not all.
yes. I think even sa running community or like sa basically running, you can kind of tell, you can see how the different people, how yung nationality nila show. Sorry, but
That's racist.
sorry.
That's racist.
The way they run is kind of like the profile of their.
Like how?
Let's say for example, Filipinos.
Ah.
Filipinos are very like when they're running. There's a certain cadence na parang. Hi po. May po.
May hospitality.
May po. May mabait,
Ah.
right? Indians
Mm.
run a certain way, and I'm not kidding. Like it's very like
Efficient.
parang I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
May parang
Yeah.
may swing. May swing na parang
Valedictorian.
oh, parang I'm gonna be valedictorian, energy. Americans are like, well, they're always like very, very like they're huge.
Whoa. I mean, like you mean tall? Or-
They're tall and they run tall.
okay.
So therefore they run tall. But
They run tall.
Australians,
Mm.
they run like Thor.
I
Diba?
thought like kangaroo.
Okay, anyway.
Like
Sige,
Thor?
Tama na. Let's go back.
Really? You're gonna sidestep Chinese?
Ano? Well, Chinese, I don't see them run much eh.
Maybe they're.
They're not.
Anyway, okay.
Okay. Baka- Okay.
So deep dive. You want to do a deep dive on the Sona? Well, which we'll just do bullet points.
Okay.
I did see this. Magko-continue daw yung bloodless war on dangerous drugs. And
Oh my
He
God,
said
this is
that
something funny.
we-
Okay.
nakita ko standing ovation yung mga tao when he said that the West Philippine Sea is ours.
Okay, I think political correspondent Jim na.
Okay. Political correspondent who did not
Who
watch
did
the
not watch
Sona.
the Sona and did not read any of this.
Mm.
I
I saw this. Somebody shared this. Did you see that?
Oh.
And it's fake. I knew it.
Oh, anyway. Okay. I think this Sona was used as in terms of parang it was a stance a clear stance against the Dutertes. Isn't it? Kasi saying na there's the bloodless war on dangerous drugs, right? Ang West Philippine
Was
Sea.
Sara Duterte there?
These are
Was she
all
present?
stances. These are all ito yung mga controversial stance ng mga Duterte, right? The drug war,
Mm.
the being favorable and being amenable to whatever the Chinese say.
Mm.
And that's why tingnan mo nakakatawa. So si Daryl Yap, si Made in Manhattan ay Made in Malacanang. Siya, di ba?
J-Lo yarn.
Siya yung director nun, di ba?
I'm still Daryl from the Bronx.
So the alleged PDF director na maingay during elections.
PDF. Ngayon ko na-get.
Nakakatawa talaga to si Purdu. Posts on Facebook denouncing. See? Yun nga. See? So kaya nga
Di ba siya yung gumawa ng mga stuff with Amy Marcos?
Yeah. Kaya nga for sure, ang nangyayari nga is
Wait
this
lang, for sure or alleged?
political analyst.
Yeah, but You gotta be careful with
I
that
think
one.
it's pretty sure.
You can't say stuff.
Basta, it's an official stance na.
Okay.
Okay, it's an official stance saying um it's an official stance na
He's saying ayaw niya kay BBM.
no. Sinasabi ni BBM, hindi, sorry. The SONA, BBM made it very clear, and I'm sure his communications team and his whatever, like, okay, this is our
What people did not like about Duterte, let's highlight
parang
that.
because we're we're officially drawing the line. And then that's why yung mga trolls ni Dudes are obviously engaged na. Kaya nga nakakatawa eh. If you look at any posts, parang it's strange and I don't know why. Pero like, if it's a Marcos thing, na ang daming, wala masyadong trolls. But yung Duterte, sobrang dami pa ring trolls na nagko-comment sa mga feed. Anyway. So
was the VP there?
You want to read the
Sona?
post? Ni Daryl Yap?
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, parang ayoko siya bigyan ng platform. I'm sorry.
Ah, really?
Ayoko talaga.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Okay. So ako, before we, I want to share lang something. Okay? I need your undivided attention. Even to you pod kids. Kasi, I'm sure that a lot of pod kids have anxiety attacks and panic attacks. And ako, as someone who has gone through it, I would have loved to have some relatable resource. Okay? Kasi lahat mga Amerikano. I mean, gets mo? Gets mo? Like it's like, okay guys, this is how I deal with an anxiety attack. It's ganon.
Okay.
Okay?
And how would you do it differently? Ganito kasi yan.
What I would say is like, parang like, like
This ganun din yung gagawin mong content.
So I just go to a website and like I put my blood in and whatever. Like, alam mo, may disconnect eh. So parang
put your blood in the website.
Kaya ako I'm here. Kaya nga libreng care of Jim. I would like to use this podcast as a resource.
Okay.
Libreng resource sa lahat ng mga anxnatics. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
And the reason why I want to share it is because so this morning I was doing a cold plunge. Okay?
Relatable. Hashtag relatable. Okay. We were just talking about how you wanted to make things relatable.
I was in a cold plunge.
Okay.
That's not my point. And I overdid it. Because what I've been trying to do now recently is I've been trying to do the Wim Hof method. Watch the episode with me and Ali. Kahit the first
Wim Hof is like a
2
breathing
minutes.
technique.
Yeah, the breathing technique na you parang hypoxiate or something like that.
Hyperventilate?
No, it's just something like that. And sabi ko nga, kaya nga tawa kami na tawa ni Ali kasi sabi si Ali, of course, as usual, parang okay yan, parang kailangan ko yan. Sabi ko sa kanya nga na, okay siya, pero yun nga, napansin ko, if you overdo it, medyo magiging kupal ka. Like, you become like...
So you kind of flood your brain with oxygen.
It's kind of like that. So what I do now is in the cold plunge, after...
ka talaga. Sobrang nakakainis talaga to si Jim. Can I just explain it to the pod kids? If the prescription says take 1 tablet a day, he will take 3 because he thinks it will fix things. And I keep saying, that's not how it works, Jim. Doctors, please tell him to stop self-medicating.
So anyway, ang ginagawa ko,
I'm having an anxiety attack.
So what happens kasi is you release your carbon dioxide by
Akala ko
exhaling.
you release your inhibition.
And then you hold your breath.
Sorry.
And then nang matagal. So what I was trying to do is I hold my breath and then go under the water in the cold.
Okay.
So kasi parang holding your breath after exhaling kind of gives you a high na. Right? So, and then doing it in the cold. For me, nung first few times I did it was like, whoa, hindi ko napapansin yung lamig. Like, I'm underwater and I'm holding my breath and but I held my breath na right before submerging. So parang, pero anyway, ang point ko is, sorry, ang haba, pero ang point ko is, paglabas ko, as in, like, medyo umiikot yung...
Malamang, your body's like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, so anyway, ang point ko lang is, nagpanic ako, major panic. And it takes me back nga to the wedding of Megan Young.
Your first ever panic attack.
Which we've talked about on
We
this
should have
pod.
Megan and Mikael on the podcast and talk about like how you triggered Jim's panic attacks. No, it's not their fault.
Do you guys have any idea that I was freaking the fuck out? Anyway, it took me back nga to nung time na yun, nung sa wedding nila Megan.
Kailangan both Megan Young at Mikael Daet.
Na wala akong, people were talking to me, I could not talk to them. I froze.
Mhm.
It was the first time ever. And primarily because if you have a panic attack and you don't know what to do, it'll spiral.
Mm-mm.
If you're getting anxious, for example, and then you keep, you keep thinking about it. Why am I having a panic attack? Why am I having an
That was
anxiety?
pre-pandemic, right?
Yeah. And even one time nga kami ni Sab. So in fairness naman, for me kasi yung my panic attacks don't come as often as other people, and like I feel for those people who constantly have like that. Oh my God,
No, you went through a phase where it was always happening.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Especially when you quit vaping.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, nung wedding.
So what did you do?
Yun nga, I'm gonna get there. So nung kailan Megan, I wish I knew this.
Mhm.
And for the first time, matagal na tong sinasabi sa akin eh. And it's called grounding. And matagal na nga sinasabi sa akin. And I tried it. Kasi usually before, like if I'd have an anxiety attack, I'll feel it sa car.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yun yung trigger mo, no? Sa car.
Sa car. Because, and sorry, it took a lot of therapy, but it's because like I'm holding the wheel and the people I care about most I have had like different traumas of almost losing Sab and the kids, and so me holding the wheel parang
It gives you all the control.
and therefore I'm panicking, parang ganon.
Mm.
So and I couldn't tell Sab nung time na yon because so parang nagdo-double yung issue kasi like I'm already panicking and I can't talk to you about it. So it's all in my brain because I don't want to tell Sab because I don't want her to panic too na hey, the guy who's driving is fucking having a panic attack, diba?
Yeah.
So anyway, yung grounding and that anyway in a nutshell, grounding.
It's okay, take your time. No one's I'm okay at listening to this.
Okay,
Don't feel rushed.
I thought kasi you were like
Don't feel rushed. Go.
you were rushing me.
Kakasabi ko lang, no rush eh. How can you win with this guy? Go.
Anyway, so
Kainis.
so okay, I will not rush.
Yeah, don't rush.
So
Pero ano on schedule? Joke lang. Joke lang.
okay, okay.
Don't read the comments to tell
okay.
me what's happening. So in the car.
So yung grounding.
Mm.
What's grounding? Grounding is you use your senses. You focus on your senses. So you start with sight. So you ask yourself, what do I see? Then, sorry if I'm getting the
hear?
sequence wrong, pero sight. Then what do you hear? What do you smell?
Mhm.
What do you feel? What do you taste?
Isn't there like a parang numbering thing? Like one thing
May
you
ganun
see,
eh.
two things you hear, something.
May ganun. You could, baka si...
Or you can Google it. What do you call it?
Si therapist, si
She
psychologist,
lie.
correspondent Lai.
Is she here?
Yeah, so there, but anyway, yung point ng grounding is like you focus on your senses, and then it was only when
Is it because it gets you to the present?
yun nga eh, this is why I can't do these tools if I don't know ano yung purpose niya, kung ano yung end goal niya. It doesn't work for me. So when through therapy, I learned na grounding, the reason why it's called grounding is because when you're when your brain is all over the place, it's literally flying, right? It's like
dissociating
your
out of
thoughts are
body.
out. Your thoughts are up there. You can't reach it. You can't control it. So when you ground, you put yourself back.
Am I like that? Is sorry, making this about me, but am I like a therapist? Because I got that just like that.
Okay. Yum.
And then
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Thanks, Jello. What a supportive.
It involves identifying 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste.
Yeah, and so after I did my insane stunt kanina, literally like, it was like, oh my God, parang, you spiral from
Nasa
hilo.
cold plunge ka pa. Ang kulit talaga nito. Kulit talaga nito. What if you had slipped, hit your head or something? My gosh. Kainis.
So what you do,
So sorry for our listeners.
so what happens kasi is,
Getting soap.
what happens is when you if mom is listening.
Yeah, my mom. I hope my mom is listening para may kakampi ako mamaya.
So what happens is if you, let's say kunwari nagpanic ka nga and you think like, oh my God, nahihilo ako. And then the next thought is like, am I losing my mind? Or it could be like, am I having a heart attack? Or did I have a stroke? Or was I drunk? Ganyan. And then it'll just come bam, 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 bam,
Yeah,
bam.
of
And
course.
it'll, so immediately I was like, okay, shit, okay. Because now I have this. And
I
it's like,
love
okay,
it.
I'm going to try it now. I was like, okay, what do I, hindi, so parang yun, ginawa ko yun. So what do I see? Blah, blah, blah. Ganyan.
I love it.
And apparently,
it worked for you.
Yeah, it worked.
Oh, and it took years of practicing that muscle. No?
And nakakatawa nga, never ko practice yung muscle na yun. I would try it all the time. It never worked. But maybe it did. Pero I guess what I never practiced that muscle. I mean, I guess iba pa rin to know the intent or parang kumbaga like like when you work out, right?
Yeah.
And you say that I'm going to work out because I want to live longer.
Yes.
I want a better.
Yeah. I get it. Like when you're doing squats, it's like, okay, ano ba to? But if you know why
I want to
you're
carry
doing
my
it,
kids.
and also like this strengthens your, I don't know what does a squat target, butt,
your legs, your butt,
thighs, I don't know.
your whole body. So
Yeah.
parang knowing that na okay, so yun pala yung nagagawa ng grounding na whenever I feel like I can't control my thoughts and my emotions, or they're getting away from me. Yun pala, getting away from you. You
Yeah.
ground them, balik mo.
So I think this is what happened to you, Jim. Thank you to Trisha, our webmd.com correspondent.
Our non-MD. MD.
Sort of.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Hypoxic blackout, also known as shallow water blackout. Jim, ha? Kinig ka. Happens when loss of consciousness occurs underwater due to a lack of oxygen. Kasi nag-hold ka pa ng breath mo. This is often due to breath holding or purposeful hyperventilation before going underwater. Hyperventilation is overbreathing. It's often caused by sudden drop in blood flow to the brain
Kaya
or
pala
lack of oxygen to
sinasabi
the
ng
brain.
Wim Hof na don't do it in the pool.
Do you know Jem used to try to trigger me by saying he's gonna try something new? I need to listen to this, guys. Listen to this. My troll of a husband. He'll come up to me like I'm chilling, and then he'll say, "Sabi, may bago akong gagawin." And because he's such a good salesman, he does this poker face. He says, "Sabi, may bago akong gagawin. It's a really good thing for my something like resilience training. So pupunta tayo sa pool. Tapos, and he says this like with super serious face. So you're gonna tie my hands behind my back, pati yung feet ko tie mo, and then you push me in the water. And then you just have to stand there and wait for me to try to get out of it on my own." And then my initial reaction is like, what are you asking of me? But I know him so well, so I'm just like, I was like, okay, game. Because I know he's trying.
I wanted to try
me.
to. Pero ganito, we're gonna end the pod now. After the pod, yung mga playbackers, we're gonna show you the video of that. video. Okay, we're gonna show you that video of Chris Hemsworth doing that thing.
Oh, he
Si
did
Chris
that.
Hemsworth yun eh.
Okay.
Yeah. So, um, again, thank you to all our podcast listeners. We hope you're enjoying the show. If you are enjoying the show, please go to playback.tv/Jim and Sab. Being a member helps us. It's a big I love you to the pod. You do not have to join the live session. But you can, just by being a member helps us out a lot.
Hey, thank you to Jory Ferrer who says Sab's really a great life coach. I had a life coach sesh with you last December, and you've helped me become a mentor to current board takers. Oh, I'm so happy. That makes me so happy. And I'm happy to announce that next month, life coaching with life coach Sab, is back on jimandsab.com.
Yay!
That's for our patrons. And yeah, it makes me really happy. I've gotten, alam mo, iko-compile
You
ko
can
nga yung
finally
mga-
do it there na.
Yeah, I know, because you've got an office now.
Yeah.
And I'm done with my certification. And yeah, just so happy.
Okay. Last.
Don't worry, kapag naging
Okay.
life coachy kita, hindi kita like si Jim na, kainis, Jim, stop it.
Okay. Thank you, pod kids listening. Playbackers, stay. We're gonna watch lang the video.
Yeah, we're just gonna
Bye.
hang out. Bye. All right.
Okay.